Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm from the last 3 months. I set it to the side and said, you know what, I think I want to open this with other people who may be interested in what comes in BoxyCharm, because at one point I was too. Disclaimer, I do purchase BoxyCharm with my own money. It was a subscription that I was interested in, and BoxyCharm allows you to get 5 full-size products each month, either makeup, skincare, hair, or nails related. You get to choose 3 that come in your box, and they pick 2 for you based off of a beauty quiz that you take. So I've got July, August, and September that I have yet to actually go through and put away. I do really enjoy this service. You know, it's like a little gift to myself when it comes in the mail. I was doing Ipsy. I did like Ipsy, but I got to a point like a few months in where I realized, what am I gonna do with all these makeup bags? So I thought, you know what, let me just spend a little bit more money, do BoxyCharm. So if you're interested in a service like this, then stay tuned. So for August, we've got every box, they'll send you like a little pamphlet, and you can scan the QR code on the back and it will tell you all about the products that you picked and they picked for you. One of the first things we've got is this Tea Time. It is a toner from Biro. I discovered Biro through BoxyCharm, and I tried one of their gel moisturizers. It was the Kale Gel Moisturizer. That was like game changer for me. So I'm pretty sure this is one that I picked. It's a clearing toner. I'm excited. Next, I think this is something that they chose for me, this LYS Beauty Foundation Stick. And I have seen this a lot of places, so I am excited to try it, but I'm worried this shade is actually going to be too dark for me. The lightest shade I could even pick was Light Neutral 3 in Bone Blush. This might be a summer shade. That is my one constructive criticism, is I would like for more shade range to be available. Because I went back and thought, well, maybe I need to retake my quiz, because if you're getting too many of one product, you can go back and take your beauty quiz again and say, hey, I don't want these products anymore. And I thought, well, maybe I never picked fair. Maybe I picked, light. No, I picked the lightest skin tone I could. I like the packaging on this. Well, that might work. I don't know. In person, it looks a little bit darker, but I might be able to make this work in the summer. Next, they might have picked this for me. This is by Beauty Bio. It's a hydrating booster. I think this is a cream for barrier support. I've never heard of this brand, so I am excited to try this. Next, we've got a brow wand by Scone. It's just a pencil in chocolate. I have been getting a lot of brow products from them, so I may switch up my quiz and say, hey, I don't want brow products anymore. The brow products they've sent have been great, but I only need so many brow pens. You'll see, I think I have a few more in the other boxes. And then, as you can see, I've already used these. There's an eye brush set from Schmiss Glam. You get 5. You get the fluffy brush, the little fluffy brush, the compact brush, a flat brush, and an angle brush. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. And when I did use these, they worked really well, and they're very soft. And the little bedazzle on the front is honestly just a nice touch. That was July. Pretty good haul. Next, we've got the month of August. One of the things they picked for me is this Had Me At setting spray from Pinky Beauty. I've never heard of this brand. This will be fun to see and see how it works. And then they also picked for me this brow gel, which I am excited to try. I've got too many pencils, but the gel, I need a new one. This is from Lava, Los Angeles. One of the things I picked was from Glow Recipe. I love that you can get Glow Recipe in these boxes. This is their Hyaluronic Gloss Bomb Plum Plump. I'm very excited about this. There was another month where I got the Cloudburst Essence Toner in my box. That's fire. That was straight fire. Next, it's by Cinta London. It's a Mellow lip oil. Let's see what color this is. I don't know if Mela is the shade name. Oh, I did pick this. I remember this now. It's like a red lip oil. Very cute. And last but not least, I picked another set of brushes from Half Caked. Now I did already try these out too, but I put them back in the box that way I could unbox it and show you what I got. It just came with 3 brushes. It's got the concealer brush and then a foundation brush and a fluffy brush. I haven't tested this. These are amazing. The angle for doing your concealer, that was fantastic. Like, you can get right up in there because of the angle. It's very nice. These are like my new favorite foundation brushes right now. So that was August. And last but not least, we've got the month of September. This was a product that I picked. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt. I am a mascara snob. I will spend the money on a high-end mascara. So I'm looking forward to trying this. Let's see what the brush looks like. Oh, okay, ma'am. That's bougie. That's very bougie packaging. Okay, so a thinner brush. I am a big Too Faced Better Than Sex girl. That is my ride or die mascara. So this is more like lengthening. I'll have to use that and see how it works and how I like it. The next item that I picked, yes, you can get Rare Beauty in these boxes too. Rare Beauty, it's the Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil. I got the shade Hope. I love Rare Beauty. Oh yeah, she is pretty. Oh yeah. That color is going to be so good. Next, they picked this for me. This is by the company Shine. It's another brow wand. I mean, I guess you can't have too many, but I've gotten like 2 other brow pens from them. So I'm like, okay, like I can't be getting too many more brow products. That was really nice. From the Shine Cosmetics, this little coupon came out of there. I can enjoy 20% off with a code at shinecosmetics.com. Oh, and it's for 3 months. That's through the end of the year. Nice. Oh, okay. This might actually be fun to try. This is one of those ones where it's like a triangular shape. So it's not a thin micro pencil. It's triangular and it's got a spoolie on the other end. So that will actually be good. I will say, I guess everything they've sent me is like different, even if it is a brow product. The next thing that they picked for me is Shades by Shan Pore Diffusing Primer. I guess you can't really have too many primers. 1 month I was able to get the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer from my box. So I mean, like, they have brands that I've never heard of, and then they have brands that are very well known where items will show up that you can choose or that they pick for you, which I think is really nice because, you know, if I bought the Huda Beauty primer in store, I probably would have paid close to the price of the whole box. But this looks cute. And the last item that I chose, this is from Rem Beauty, another brand I've been dying to try stuff from. I got their bronzer. This is in the shade Send to Voicemail. It's a powder bronzer. Oh my God. Okay, I love the packaging. It's got that like convex side to it and it's very like spacey. This like takes me back to my childhood. This is something I would have found in like my mom's makeup bag packaging wise. We'll have to see how that looks on me. It looks a little yellow in the camera. It's a very light bronzer. I'll see how it looks though. I like that it's got a mirror in the compact. It's pretty sick. And that's everything. That's everything from July, August, September that I got in BoxyCharm. I think they do a pretty good job at sending you stuff. I mean, for most of the makeup, I just answered like neutral, hoping that they would just send me a variety each time because I'm open to trying lots of different stuff. Like I'm open to everything colorful. I mean, there's nothing when I started that I was like, you know what, I have too much of this and I don't need more of it. Now I may be getting to that point where I need to retake the beauty quiz. If you are interested in BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm does retail for, it's about $36 and some change that I pay every month to get 5 full-size products. And then they'll tell you how much each of these boxes are valued at. So how much you would pay for all of these products individually over the counter had you bought them elsewhere. Like if you didn't get them through the subscription service. The highest month I had was a box worth over $200, which was pretty cool. It does make you feel like you're getting your money's worth. I also like the fact that I can change my frequency and I can skip and I can cancel anytime, no fees. Again, this is not an ad. I bought this with my personal money. I just really like the service. I think it's pretty good. So if you stuck around for this long, thanks. Let me know if you like this kind of video, if you're interested in what comes in the BoxyCharm. I can keep making videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!